The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. Education is represented by a stuffed bird in a glass case. The bird is a hooded crow, in Welsh known as y Fran Llwyd, the grey crow, or Bran Iwerddon, the Irish crow. Although its numbers are apparently many in Carmarthenshire, it is unclear where exactly this example comes from. Objects such as this were mainly used in the field of education, and many specimens are given to museums by schools. Western Europe's fascination with the natural world developed quickly, especially through the 18th and 19th centuries. Taxidermy became, on one hand, a phenomenon, and on the other, an essential tool of the scientific investigation of the natural world. In addition to the scientific purpose, mounted animals also served as inspiration to artists. 1854 saw the establishment of Carmarthen School of Art at the National School for Boys in Parade Road, described at the time as a dingy, barn-like building. The school enjoyed reasonable success until it hit financial troubles in 1871 and was forced to close soon after. With the support of Mr. H. Howell, one of the school's original founders, it was reopened in 1880 under Mr. William Jones, an ex-pupil. In September 1892, the Carmarthen School of Art moved to a newly constructed building on Church Lane, designed by architect George Morgan. Today, and since 1991, the building has housed Oriel Myrddin Gallery, a contemporary craft gallery showing a changing programme of exhibitions, therefore continuing the artistic legacy of Carmarthenshire.